All right, good morning, August 18th already. Still got a lot of fishing tournaments left. We're back at Chaumont, round 2. We supposed to go to Henderson, but there were issues with the launch, so we had to switch. How was that? Ooh, ooh. I anchored. Yep, just play with them. Just play with them. They're big and Dad, so careful.
Got one.
That'll work, baby. Nice. Nice, fatty. In your mouth? I wonder if it, like, they feel pain at all. I don't know. Oh, baby. I feel like he is bigger. He's pushing the boat. Yep, you're good. I didn't want to anchor it this time. Holy shit, Dad, what do you got here? Holy crap, he's moving the boat. Pole ain't broken, is it? There he is. Got him. Wow, nice, Dad.
Wow.
Holy shit. Oh my, just come out.
Just come out.
Holy crap. Oh my, that is a freaking hog. Oh my, what is this? Holy oh my God. Holy crap, the hook just came out too. Someone else is moving, I hear him. There's one. Oh, he got off. I don't know if it was a bite or bottom. Might have been weeds or something. Because usually they stay on for a little bit. Another one? Holy This one looks a little thicker juiced.
Bigger than that. Oh my God.
Yeah, right? Freaking moving the boat again. Where is he?
Missed him.
Yep.
Don't like that now.
No, he doesn't. Yep. Got him. Oh, Dad. Let's go.
Holy cow.
Holy
what
crap.
the hell?
Wow. Holy crap. Another nice one, Dad.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
They're all over 3 pounds.
Holy frig. I think I had a bite and then you had a bite. You got another one? Oh, no one's got one? Oh, baby. He's flying. Oh my God, I can't even see.
That's a big one, Luke.
Is it? Need a turn, spin. Nice one. Nice. Right in the net. Good hook set. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Let's freaking go. Four, baby. All right, 8 o'clock, right on the dot. Oh, it just turned 8:01. Second spot over here at 3 Mile. We got 4 fish right now, maybe what? 12 pounds, 13 pounds? Maybe more. They're all at least 3. Some are 3.5. One's at least 4. So we need one more fish. Beautiful. Ooh, that might be a bite. Yep. Got him. Oh. Come on.
Get him out.
Yep. He's coming.
What can I do?
Nothing. Yes. Let's go. Got him?
Yep. Nice one, Luke.
Holy crap. Oh my God. Let's go, Dad. Let's freaking go. Holy crap. Next fish, gonna have to weigh.
Yeah.
Let's go, Dad. I was like, it's getting too shallow for my tube jig. So I'll throw the worm immediately. Boom. This fishing trip is sponsored by Wise Potato Chips. Honey and barbecue.
Got one already.
This might be the tube jig here, because it's a little deeper and weeds.
Oh, I see them now.
There's one. I don't know what size. Nice largie. Oh my. Holy.
Nice largie, all right. Wow. Oh boy, now you gotta do some weighing.
Oh my. Are you kidding me?
You gotta get the balls out now.
Are you freaking kidding me right now?
Wow.
Oh, he just come off. Thanks, Dad. Oh my. That's a 4-pounder plus?
I think. I don't know. Gotta weigh them.
Oh, 315. All right.
315?
315, so 4 pounds.
4 pounds.
All right, 8:26. Just got done weighing fish. We're at about almost 19.5 pounds. Just caught that almost 4-pound largemouth on a tube jig, and literally just said that I haven't caught a largemouth over here in long, and then boom, he hits it. So, all right, I'm gonna head back in. Okay. Okay. Oh, hog!
See him. Oh, there it is. That's another 4-pounder.
Oh my! Did he swallow it?
Did he?
Yep. I'm just gonna cut it.
Wow.
Holy!
That's a smallmouth too.
Oh my! Did you see him jump? Oh my God! He's freaking fat.
Yeah.
All right, Bubba. Holy shit! Almost 4.5. Let that one go.
310.
310. Holy! We got 20 pounds, 4 ounces. Smallest one is 311, number 3. All right, back at spot 3. Spot 3, 10 minutes to 10, I think. Hold on. Yep, 10 minutes to 10. Back at our largemouth spot, one year we caught 16 pounds. See if we can pull a 4-pounder over here, or bigger. We need a couple more 4.5s. A little over 20 pounds. See what other things I got here. That one? Big one? Oh, what do you got?
No. Ain't big enough.
Are you sure? Are you freaking sure? Ain't big enough. Ain't big enough. Ain't big enough. That ain't big enough, guys. That ain't big enough.
I don't think it's that big, Luke. Honest to God.
That ain't big enough. Oh my.
What's that one?
Wow, 412, Dad.
Oh my. Okay. Okay.
Number 3.
Right?
Yep. Oh,
4.
hold on. I didn't do it right. Yep. Okay, I got it. We're at 21.7. Oh baby, come on. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, he's gonna jump. Biggin. Wanna turn? Or no? I got an anchor, so it's gonna turn us. He was taking drag while you're trying to move your foot. Gonna jump. Is that reel gonna make it? Got him. Let's go, Dad.
Oh.
Holy crap.
Wow.
Wow. Oh my Dad. Are you kidding me? Four eight,
Oh, man.
4.5, 4.8. Oh wait. 4.8. Yep, 4.7.
Holy cow.
What a day. Beautiful weather. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
It's not big.
Are you sure? Because you said that before.
No.
Are you sure? Oh, oh my God. That's a, I think it's a largemouth. Looks massive.
It does, Lucas. Come on, baby. What is it?
It's a big bass. Is it a bass?
If it is, it's a big
It's
one.
a bowfin. Holy Dad. Prehistoric fish. Oh my God, I can't even. Oh, wow. Weigh that puppy for you. Almost 8 pounds. 713.
Wow.
Dad's massive bowfin. Holy crap, Dad. We'll just go up here a little bit. Does that sound like a plan? Ooh, ooh, that's a fish, isn't it? Oh, oh.
Lay him out.
Yep. I don't know.
I don't think he's big enough.
I don't think he is either, but it's fun. I don't know. No, I don't know. Holy
Wow, this is
no, but
I don't think
hook just came out. But yeah, I don't think so. Ooh, baby. Ooh, ooh.
I don't know.
He's coming at the boat.
I don't think so. Just the way it's acting, but who knows?
Nice fish. I saw it. It's over 4. That's all we need. Oh, yeah. Are you kidding me, Dad? Are you kidding me? Yep. It's all right. Play with them. What happened? Oh. Did it hit the boat?
I don't know what happened.
Oh, I think it hit the boat. I think it got stuck on the boat. Oh, it's okay, Dad. It's all right. Because I think it gets deeper and weedy. Got one? What? Oh boy, what do you got?
I don't know. Something ain't right. Oh no.
Did you even yank?
No.
Flung your worm. 3-pounder, 3.5. Yep, not big enough. Not big enough, Dad.
We're in the shallows.
Dude, nice fish. Oh, hogger on the spinner bait. Come on. Wow. I don't know. Fun. What do you think? Gonna be close. Wait. Got my line wrapped. My line's wrapped. Got him.
Line's wrapped where?
Around the net. Oh yeah. 4. Okay, so this one says 4.4. This one is almost 4, basically 4-pound largie. That's the one that kept flipping. Holy crap.
Almost lost it.
On the spinner bait, baby.
How much weight is that now?
I think it's about 23 now because that one was about 5 ounces off.
Okay.
So we just pretty much got back to 23 pounds. Hell of a day. Nice fishing at Chaumont. Hopefully we got 23 pounds. All right, see ya.